Welcome, guys. I have been here the entire time. I've been sitting here on my phone. It took you guys forever.
Oh my gosh, 2 months.
2 months, 60 days.
So what are we here for?
Well, this is where we stopped.
This is
Stage 3.
stage 3 of the TransAmerica Trail. All right.
But look at the weather.
I know.
Sucks.
Ugh.
That's
And
terrible.
look at our bikes. That's okay. We are here to embody the spirit of the TransAmerica Trail.
So what you're saying is we can make it our own?
And we're going to make it our own. And you know why? Because we don't want to start this trip with it pouring down rain and soaking wet for the next 10 days.
That's true. That's very philosophical of you. However, we have to ride north-ish anyway to get to the TransAmerica Trail. So we might as well do it a bit of fun.
All right.
I'm all in.
I'm on.
Sounds good.
Speaking of all in, there's a casino across the way. We're headed towards Tulsa anyway, so whether we do it on the bikes or we do it in the trail or the car, truck, either way we got to get there, and since it's raining, we're going to cheat. But we wanted to be here to start the trip.
That's right.
This is where we left off.
And Jason just edited 10 minutes of explanation into the fact that we're going up to the trail in the truck.
Right.
Awesome. Well, you guys hang out. This is going to be a fun episode. Here we go. This looks pretty cool. We're going to stop at Oklahoma Joe's for barbecue for lunch.
Hola.
What you doing?
Putting my mask on because I forgot.
Look, we met some Oklahoma guys.
Where are you guys from? South Carolina.
Just a little ways away.
We're motorcycling across. We left off right about here on about 2 months ago, so we're picking up right about here and going west.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
How was it?
Correct.
But, you know, as long as Chris is filming, I mean, whatever we say is now
On record. It's on record.
We're legends.
Oh yeah, well, legend in our own minds.
Exactly. And here we are getting guests. And Chris says us that I did laundry last night.
I did laundry in the shower last night. And it's this nice microfiber stuff and it's all nice and dry. And Jason showed me this neat trick. So check this out.
So you take your underwear and you take a shirt,
Put it on together.
put it all together, and then you take your socks. Clean socks.
1,
Not the dirty socks, but the clean socks.
2.
And then you roll it all up. Take your socks, roll it back over. 1 day's worth of clean clothes.
I have a question for you. We want to know, how long have you known Steve?
Since he was born.
Since you're taking this trip with us. What's he like? What's he like? Yeah.
He's outgoing. He loves everybody. Everybody loves him. We love him. He loves us.
Did he pay you to say that?
Of course.
And we appreciate you taking us on this trip and helping us out with
We
the.
enjoy travels.
Yeah.
We're going to be seeing you guys down the road.
All right, we are back on the TransAmerica Trail, guys. What do you think?
Here we go. For this for 60 days.
Oh, check it out, you guys. Oh, man.
Check out this cool bridge.
We should have stopped here for a drone photo, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow, this is awesome.
Oh, that's a drop too now.
Whoa.
Cattle crossing.
You a wheelie over it?
Yeah. Man, look at them rolling hills.
This
That's
is
beautiful.
cow country. Ah, slow down. Stop sign.
Loose gravel. All the above. I think I had to drive Oklahoma just to get some Bristol.
Yeah.
Well, hey, it's kind of ironic that we stopped for barbecue at lunch, isn't it?
Well, that's okay, because I think this trip's all about finding the best barbecue on the chat.
Now, I do have to tell you guys, my bike feels absolutely amazing. These new shocks from Rally Raid, it's totally transformed this machine.
That's awesome.
I mean, I feel like I'm not nearly as tense as I was on the first couple of stages, because it's not. It's almost like it just floats a little bit. It still doesn't have a huge amount of travel like Steve, but the amount of travel it does have, it just uses it so much more efficiently.
So what you're saying is you're finally transforming your bike into more of an African twin.
Yeah, still could stand to lose a little bit of weight, but quite manageable right now.
We just missed a turn.
Nope. My GPS says the speed limit is 65, although it's a work zone, but still, that's pretty fast.
Officer, isn't the speed limit 65?
Yeah, it is.
What was this?
I have my quad lock set so that it faces, when I turn the phone into horizontal mode, it frames me perfectly in the seat, so I can get my talking head selfies from my phone.
Ah, December. So far, I'm impressed with both of these tires. I mean, I knew the front would be good, or would only get better because it's the same one I had before. I have the Continental
TKC 80.
TKC 80. Thank you, Chris. But the back one tends to be taking this gravel really nicely. The Motoz Tractionator GPS.
Is it pronounced Motoz or Moto Z?
Yes. Depends on who you ask.
Coming through on the cattle grate.
Ooh.
Don't run out on me.
Yeah, that's what I said. They were right there by the gate when I came up. Man, this is beautiful.
Very cool.
Oh, how about this cool dead tree right here? That's a picture.
All right, gentlemen, what did you think of that ride today?
Man, that was beautiful.
Wide open spaces and nice roads.
Oh yeah, we were zipping along at like 50 miles an hour on some of those dirt roads.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Almost no traffic. No mud? Why wasn't there any mud?
No rain.
There is no rain.
So we made a good decision to skip the rain part?
Absolutely.
I'd say so.
All right, I totally agree. For all of you viewers out there, I just want you to know, make the TransAmerica Trail adventure your own. You don't have to stick to the exact thing if you don't want to, unless you're trying to accomplish that goal. But if you're just out for an adventure, do it your way, do it your style. If you have to skip a few spots here and there to make it an enjoyable day, go for it. We did, and we ended up with an epic day of riding. If we'd have slogged through that rain, it would have been kind of miserable. Anyway, we are pulling into Ponca City, and our hosts for tonight are Dave and Donna, and they are members of a group called Bunk-a-Biker. And I found them. I'm a Bunk-a-Biker also. Found them online, and they have been awesome. So fun and easy to talk to, and invited us to stay with them tonight. So we are pulling into their place, and we will meet them soon.
Wow, this is cool.
This is awesome.
Oh my God, another gravel road.
A really nicely packed one too. Horses in the background. We're gonna camp nice tonight, you guys.
Man, this is awesome.
Really is.
Freshly cut grass.
Puppy dog.
I like the VW.
Oh, that is cool.
You didn't get my hug, did I? Hi, Donna. Nice to see you.
How are you, sir?
Good.
Jason.
Good. Glad to meet you.
You, sir.
Nice to see
I'm
you.
Steve.
Pleasure. Appreciate
Nice
you
to
having
meet
us.
you.
Nice to meet you,
Steve.
You guys turn to the camera over here and come on in. We got to tell you, this is Dave and Donna. Dave and Donna. And they are hosting us tonight, and they're with a great group of motorcycle riders called Bunk-a-Biker.
Hi. Hi. Wait, that's a good puppy dog. Hi. What a nice kitty cat.
We camped in this for the first time this weekend and it worked out really great. So,
It's awesome.
yeah.
Well, we appreciate it. This is mega motors.
These are going to be our digs, huh?
This is, look at this, man. We got a bed,
Don't have to
we
set up
got
our. We don't have to
got a
set up our
bed.
tents.
and then we got
Look
a bed.
Unbelievable! You are the best.
A lot less to pack up in the morning.
That's true. Very
Hop on
true.
and go.
That's the best part.
We thank you. We really do.
You're welcome.
And we ride cross country a lot ourselves.
Not the
Not
same
the
kind of
dirt
cross country.
roads,
You
but the back road.
The back roads. Okay, yeah. The Kirby's. You guys have Kirby's?
Oh yeah. Okay. You gotta find them here, but
We had a lot
have
of
them.
straight roads today.
We're taking off in a couple of weeks to North Carolina. And then we're actually trailering my son's stuff out there. So we're going to take our bikes in a trailer, U-Haul, and load them. And then we're going to tour around East Coast for a couple of weeks. And then we're going to ride back.
Well, thank you for having us. We appreciate it and
No problem.
can't wait. This is beautiful.
Yeah, we love it out here.
Man, this place is awesome. Dave and Donna are amazing. And I just found out that we are their first Bunk-a-Biker guests. How cool is that? Check out their garage. I think Jason's back here. Let's go say hi to Jason. What you doing?
I am moving my electric outlet, the cigarette motor outlet. a
Your
little
phone
bit.
gets in the way, huh?
Well, no, it's okay for the phone, but when I put the USBs in there, the cords kind of get really close, so I'm just moving it a little bit.
I was the rally coordinator for Harley Davidson for the state of Oklahoma
Nice.
for 10 years. I've put on a rally every year for Harley Davidson. Now I'm Rogue, we're no longer Harley. But we have challenge coins. This is from the 2016 Oklahoma Hog Rally. So I have one for each of you guys.
Man.
Cool.
Oh, and chips.
Yep. And then I have poker chips from my Ardmore Central rally for each of you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And then I have pins from the Woodward, Oklahoma. So I got you guys covered.
I love it.
Thank you.
However you
If we get pulled
collect
over,
stuff.
will this pin help us?
Oh, no.